This video will demonstrate how to set up your 2018 Blackhawk or 2018 Code Black covert camera. You will first need to activate or renew a plan. Downloading the mobile app. Search Covert Wireless in your Google Play or Apple App Store. Open up your web browser to www.covert-wireless.com. Purchasing your plan. Number 1. Go to secure.covert-wireless.com. Select the type of plan that you would like and enter the IMEI found inside the white label on the camera. Follow the prompts to select your rate plan and enter your personal and billing information. Your Blackhawk LTE and Code Black LTE can function short-term on 4 AA batteries. For improved battery life, 8 AA batteries, but we suggest 12 AA batteries. Install the batteries by sliding the top battery into the sleeve, then depressing the sleeve with the other battery and snapping into place. Now that you've activated your Verizon plan, you need to install an SD card in the bottom of the camera. You can use any SD card up to 64 gigabytes. You must have the SD card in the camera to be able to turn on the camera and set it up. Setting up the wireless network. While finding the network connection, you will see the words searching signal. The camera will then say connecting to server as it is connecting to our web portal. Once you see the signal bars at the top right corner, you are ready to move on. Anytime your camera needs a firmware update, it will be automatically pushed to your camera. When you go and check your camera, we encourage you to press the menu button and scroll to the FW update. Press OK. This will download the latest firmware version in case there's been an update. Sending a test photo. This is a great way to make sure that your camera is working properly before leaving your camera set up remotely. Press the right arrow button that says Shot one time to manually take a photo with the camera. Press the OK button. Then press the menu button. Then press the down arrow to highlight the Send option and press OK. The LCD screen will display the send progress. Once you see Sent successfully, you have successfully sent your first photo and your camera is now ready to take photos. Press OK to return to the main menu. Photo mode. You can change the photo size, set flash power, and photo burst in the custom settings. Video mode. You can further set the video size and video length. Picture and video mode. You can further set custom settings, video size, and video length. Make sure that you press OK to save your settings. If you do not press OK, your settings will return back to the previous setting. Note, military time is the only available option. Trigger mode settings. PIR sensitivity. The camera is triggered by heat and motion, low, normal, and high. We recommend in the ballpark of 80 degrees, you run on normal. If you are running extremely low temperatures, set to low, or extremely high temperatures, set to high. PIR interval. The camera will be triggered based on the interval you select. We recommend using a 30-second trigger interval. Time lapse. Camera release at defined intervals, anywhere from 5 to 60 seconds in 5-second steps, 1 to 5 minutes in steps of 1 minute, 5 to 60 minutes in steps of 5 minutes, 1 to 8 hours in 1-hour intervals. If you want the camera to work at all times, select off. Start and stop setting. Select on or off. Select the time that you want the camera to operate. You can customize the weekdays and the start-stop time. Set the clock. The clock is set automatically from the wireless network. Password. Select on and enter a 4-digit code to protect the camera from unauthorized use. Be sure to note the password and store the code in a safe place. It will not be possible to reset the code on your own. Select off if you do not wish to use a password. We do require warranty registration to verify your camera. This must be completed within 10 days after your purchase. If you forget your password, please contact Covert Scouting Cameras at support@dlccovert.com or call 1-877-462-1799. To rename your camera in the nickname box, use the web portal by visiting secure.covert-wireless.com. Overwrite. To save new photos over the old photos on your SD card if it becomes full. Each time a new photo is taken, the oldest photo on the card will be overwritten. If the SD card becomes full and this feature is turned off, your camera will no longer take photos. To format the SD card, simply select Format, select Yes. It'll delete all data off of your memory card. Be sure that you won't need the data anymore. With a reset to factory settings, all of your customized settings will be lost. Software version. This will indicate the software version for the manufacturer's use and troubleshooting only. You are now set up and ready to stay best in the game with Covert Scouting Cameras.